Let's also move on now to get you more details. In fact, it's a big revelation in the entire case, where sources are telling us that the Mumbai police will be taking the facial recognition test now of the accused, where the epicell to the skin test could be done. Forensic team will examine the accused with the facial recognition, clearly because there are, remember, questions being raised, not just from people now who are looking at these two images, but also from the accuser's lawyer, who's essentially used this, a forensic report by a private lab, to raise such questions. And they say that a facial recognition possibly could be a technology that could identify people by analyzing their faces in pictures, videos, or in real time. Shweta is live with us. She has more details. But you know, Shweta, the very fact that today so many people are raising questions, including politicians, people from the fraternity, people on the streets, there is something in the story that does not add up. Now, is this a damage control exercise by the Mumbai police?
Well, you have rightly put it out. In fact, considering all the allegations what Mumbai police has been facing through day one, since the day they have nabbed the alleged accused, they have been getting such responses not only from citizens but also from politicians that there are discrepancies, there are no similarities, no resemblance being found, where we are seeing the CCTV grab footage person as well as now the person whom you have nabbed. So for this, to strengthen their case, to have the substantial evidence, now Mumbai police is taking the help of forensic team. Why? To do the face recognition test. The test, which is also known as epicells to the skin test, will be performed on the alleged accused to clear all the doubts, to clear whether he is the same person or not. Now, what happens in epicells skin test? Basically, the layers of skin, it is getting tested by the forensic examiners to assess the similarities. In fact, to assess that the person is the same what they have seen in any shots. So mug of shots will also be created and then it would be assessed. Now, in this particular case, in Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case, we understand that the facial recognition technology is in fact that would be rather used in seeing that the CCTV grabbed footage, the face of the man and this particular accused, do they match? And it should match. This is the whole reason why the forensic team has also been looped in for the facial recognition test. They will be performing the epicell to the skin testing to ascertain all the possibility that after the fingerprints already that has matched with the said accused. The accused has confessed to his crime, but still the doubts lingering around when it comes to the facial features, when it comes to the shape of the eyes, when it comes to the jawline, face structure of the accused. That particular thing will also be resolved soon with Mumbai police taking the help of forensic examiners when it comes to perform the facial recognition test on the accused. So clearly next coming days, in fact, if I tell you, this was one of the strongest ground to seek remand before the court. Now the Mumbai police very categorically stated that they need to recover the shoes, number one, and number two, they are going to perform the facial recognition test so that all kinds of doubts are kept at bay and it is hence confirmed. And to also to bolster
allow me a moment, because you've touched